Think you know Spanish? Time to find out. You'll see 100 basic Spanish words. Count how many you get right, and share your score below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Spanish quizzes. Are you ready? Comencemos.
How do you say house?
Casa.
How do you say dog?
Perro.
How do you say apple?
Manzana.
How do you say tree?
Árbol.
How do you say book?
Libro.
How do you say water?
Agua.
How do you say cat?
Gato.
How do you say chair?
Silla.
How do you say bread?
Pan.
How do you say sun?
Sol.
How do you say car?
Carro.
How do you say milk?
Leche.
How do you say door?
Puerta.
How do you say bird?
Pájaro.
How do you say table?
Mesa.
How do you say banana?
Banana.
How do you say shoe?
Zapato.
How do you say moon?
Luna.
How do you say fish?
Pez.
How do you say bed?
Cama.
How do you say orange?
Naranja.
How do you say hand?
Mano.
How do you say school?
Escuela.
How do you say egg?
Huevo.
How do you say flower?
Flor.
How do you say phone?
Teléfono.
How do you say horse?
Caballo.
How do you say window?
Ventana.
How do you say cheese?
Queso.
How do you say cloud?
Nube.
How do you say shirt?
Camisa.
How do you say chicken?
Pollo.
How do you say cup?
Taza.
How do you say star?
Estrella.
How do you say nose?
Nariz.
How do you say bus?
Autobús.
How do you say rice?
Arroz.
How do you say rabbit?
Conejo.
How do you say spoon?
Cuchara.
How do you say rain?
Lluvia.
How do you say hat?
Sombrero.
How do you say meat?
Carne.
How do you say duck?
Pato.
How do you say plate?
Plato.
How do you say eye?
Ojo.
How do you say bicycle?
Bicicleta.
How do you say tomato?
Tomate.
How do you say cow?
Vaca.
How do you say fork?
Tenedor.
How do you say sea?
Mar.
How do you say pants?
Pantalones.
How do you say potato?
Papa.
How do you say mouse?
Ratón.
How do you say bottle?
Botella.
How do you say ear?
Oreja.
How do you say airplane?
Avión.
How do you say coffee?
Café.
How do you say lion?
León.
How do you say knife?
Cuchillo.
How do you say road?
Carretera.
How do you say sock?
Calcetín.
How do you say cake?
Pastel.
How do you say monkey?
Mono.
How do you say box?
Caja.
How do you say mouth?
Boca.
How do you say train?
Tren.
How do you say juice?
Jugo.
How do you say pig?
Cerdo.
How do you say lamp?
Lámpara.
How do you say sky?
Cielo.
How do you say dress?
Vestido.
How do you say cookie?
Galleta.
How do you say bear?
Oso.
How do you say soap?
Jabón.
How do you say foot?
Pie.
How do you say boat?
Barco.
How do you say salt?
Sal.
How do you say sheep?
Oveja.
How do you say towel?
Toalla.
How do you say fire?
Fuego.
How do you say jacket?
Chaqueta.
How do you say sugar?
Azúcar.
How do you say frog?
Rana.
How do you say pencil?
Lápiz.
How do you say hair?
Cabello.
How do you say truck?
Camión.
How do you say butter?
Mantequilla.
How do you say bee?
Abeja.
How do you say paper?
Papel.
How do you say grass?
Césped.
How do you say skirt?
Falda.
How do you say ice cream?
Helado.
How do you say spider?
Araña.
How do you say ball?
Pelota.
How do you say tooth?
Diente.
How do you say motorcycle?
Motocicleta.
How do you say chocolate?
Chocolate.
How do you say ant?
Hormiga.
How do you say bag?
Bolsa.
How do you say snow?
Nieve.